excuse me. Hi, I'm a food blogger and I love what you're doing with this Finnish ice cream cup. Can I take a photo of it for my blog? I was wondering if I could take a picture of just your food. Yeah. Is that right? It'll take 2 seconds. Amazing, that means so much to me. This is gonna get at least like 35 likes to 40. Okay. Actually, guys, can we? All right, I want beautiful lighting, okay? This needs to be a real Instagram post. Yes, I love the plastic. Do my hands? Okay, this looks so real. Can I actually use your hands? You have better hands. Like this would be great. What's up, everybody in the world ever? My name is Yoni Lotan. We're here in New York City quizzing people about their food knowledge in Do You Even Food? I'm gonna give you a name of a food and you have to tell me where the country of origin is.
All right, sounds good.
German chocolate cake.
Bulgaria.
Germany.
Germany. Austria.
It's in the name.
Germany.
Germany.
Wrong. It's the United States.
That's not.
A man by the name of San German is the one who made this recipe.
Trick question.
Gotcha. Swedish meatballs.
The U.S.
America? U.S.?
IKEA, Sweden.
Your answer was IKEA, Sweden?
Swedish meatballs are from IKEA.
Sweden.
He's pretty confident Sweden.
It can't be.
It's for sure Sweden.
I'm guessing not Sweden, so America?
Incorrect. It's Sweden. Why would you think it wasn't? It's in the name.
That's another trick question.
Haggis.
Haggis is from, it's definitely from the old country. How old in which country? Haggis.
Can we get a hint?
Sure. Look at all that haggis.
I meant like a hint, like.
That is a hint.
Geographical hint.
Oh, geographical hint. Okay. Where did you put my haggis?
Iceland.
Hungary.
Romania? Transylvania? Hungary?
Scotland.
That's correct! Like gently caress the taco's cheek. Yes, that's it, my man. Amazing. Thank you. I have 300 followers on Instagram. This food is made up of rice, beans, cheese, and some combinations.
Nachos?
This food translates to little donkey in English.
Is it a burrito? Is it a burrito?
Is that what gave it away? You are a delicious superfood that is a staple in Mexico.
Avocado.
Yes! Hummingbirds are the primary source of pollination for your fruit. Some people put this on pizza.
Tomatoes.
It's tomatoes? Your name is a mix of the most popular grain in the United States and man's best friend.
Corn dog.
Yes, you are. Yes, that's amazing. That's amazing. Thank you so much. Oh, God, I could feel the likes right now. Amazing. Namaste. Namaste to you. Namaste to me. How do Germans say cock-a-doodle-doo in German?
Kikeriki, kikeriki.
We want to see your pineapple impression.
Do you even food, bro?
Do ya even food, eh?
Watch Do You Even Food and watch me, Yoni Lotan, interview people about food knowledge.